So there we have it. Now I will do a takeoff and I have the Zibomod loaded up. So I will, first of all, I will start this and do the same thing as in level DCM. Percent. Set. See if, so here flight direct commands speed, so the speed goes down. It doesn't do that in level D simulator. And we can also see that the speed went down. That is not really how it's supposed to be. It accelerates. And then oh, there is some things that is different how both the, I think, how the plane behaves and how Vina behaves. I can't really say the difference, but the speed is important when you are at this low altitude in the takeoff phase. So he puts vertical speed 1000. $282. 1000 feet. 1000 feet a minute. and now put it back to VNav. You can see that the levelissimo is already up in speed. Speed is more important than, I don't know. And it's still climbing, it looks like. Now it is in altitude, so VNav is a little more aggressive. Zibomod. Now we will take a look at how it behaves. iPhone. Here we have, we put it too close where we are. I will change to 1,000 feet. Tests here. So pause, so we can end up on the same. You can see the altitudes and speeds. I think. Yeah. Now time and altitudes. So we will go to the next video. This. So still 286 on top line and Sibbo is 277. So I will try to match these. So it has started to descend. So there we also can see started to descend here. You can see it here, and so there's top of the descent is not placed correctly. So the top of the descent should be where it starts to descend. So that is a thing. Uh, the placed wrong. Start this TD sending. I don't know. Anyway, I will play the video until the plane starts descending, and then I will unpause, so we see we match them. Yeah. Now it is 1,000. And the decel point comes too early, I think. And now it's at 1200 feet. It's 1000. It increases to 700 feet a minute. And speed decreases. So level D here in the turn have 1200 feet a minute and 150 and 600. Don't know why the discrepancy, but you can see that the level D sim is as lowers the speed slower. 200 at 2075 already. So there's only two things I can think of is one is the flight model or two is the VNAV profile. And now level D's, this bug is before the actual speed, and on Zibomod speed is more with 600 feet a minute. It's already at 240 knots. So this should not happen. It should not go down this far in speed. It has 250 knots at top of the descent point, and now it starts to decrease. 600. So we can see it starts. I will increase to 240 knots, so it at least is. So I will increase throttle to 240 knots. And 1,300 feet a minute. The speed is decreasing a little. With 1,350, with 1,400 feet a minute, the speed will be kept. And you can see that with 1,400 feet a minute, the speed on the Zibomod is decreasing. So this is a flight model issue, I think. It should be a little more slippery. It keeps the speed perfect. Try to get up to that's 13 N1. And with 1,300 feet a minute, the speed is kept perfect. In Cebu, with 1,350, the speed is starting to decrease. So there is one of two things. Either VNAV path wrongfully calculated, or the flight model needs to be more slippery. So one of the two things. But the plane can't keep the speed with 1,300 feet a minute. You can see the speed is kept perfect with 1,300 feet and 7,100 feet. So put 2. Uh, in the flap speed. So now he arms, my captain frame arms Warlock or localizer, and I do that too. So here for the localizer, and now it complains about the altitude standard, and level D doesn't do that. I think it should do that at 5,000 feet. I have still a standard here, and the speed is also decreasing. Should at the deceleration height. Oh, anyway, I will continue to have standard. It complains standard air pressure. Now at 210 knots, 2024 with Zibo, and 5,700 feet and 5,200 in Zibomod. So a little different. Now we can see that that is coming. You can see that the plane turned to the left, and it should not do that. And I arm autopilot, and I set still standard pressure, and it's still green in level DSIM. I don't know why it's green in the level DSIM, because the pressure is the same as so change that to so now the speed window opened. Don't know why the speed window opened on a level DSIM, but I get drag required message on the Zibomod. So gear down. Have flaps 15. I will arm speed brakes. Now 1% N1, 42% N1 with 15 degrees flaps and gear out. And I have 60%, 66% N1 with the same settings. That is a little strange. Match them correctly. So now we will put flaps 30 and set speed to 146. So everything looks, speed is thing that Now it's overcompensating with the throttles, I think. So it will go down again. Yeah, go down again. And the level D seems more stable in the throttle input. So with 30-degree flaps and gear out, I get, I can see the N1 numbers. Can't see the N1 numbers. B. Ah, it was so close. There, 54.1, and it has 56. So the plane need to be a little more slippery. That's my assessment. Otherwise, the engines need to be stronger, or the plane needs to be more slippery, because the plane can have 54.1, 54.2, 2, the, the landing. I will not touch anything. Vertical speed. Oh, didn't have auto land engaged. That was a miss. Okay, but I will break lane. This was a miss. Um, yes, but there we have it. Some comparison between level D and probably break my gears. I broke. Yeah, tire blow. Yeah. So there we have it.